Mr. Picasso, yes, I'm not talking about his beautiful works of art today. I'm actually talking about how disastrously his estate plan was and what that led to. So you may know Mr. Picasso as that artist, that painter, that revolutionized the art world. You know, he passed away in 1973, but Mr. Picasso did not have a will. And you're talking about in that 1973 dollars, $100 million to about $250 million worth of assets, a whole lot of money for people to fight over. Mr. Picasso, so he was French, and as you know, French law kicked in, and you know, when you have French law, you can't disenfranchise your children, and then he had a widow. So his entire estate, all 6 people in his lives were determined to be his heirs. And you're talking about 6+ years in court. Therefore, his attorneys took about $30 million of 1963 money from the estate. You're talking about a substantial part of the estate that got eaten up in financial fees. And you know, we're talking about people fighting over everything in the estate. People fighting about how I should be one of his beneficiaries. And so years, 6 years plus in court. So how could he have avoided this? How could he have really had an estate plan that does him service, that does his children service, his widow's service, so that they're not in court fighting, further tearing away the family? You know, his life is one that we should take notice of. People who don't write will, you're talking a will and a trust and estate plan altogether. You're talking about people who are rich, people who are poor. And as I always say, if you're breathing, you need an estate plan. And Mr. Picasso could have spared his children and his family years of turmoil, years of fighting. I mean, finally the estate got settled. But who really got rich? The attorneys did. And as an attorney speaking to you, yes, we want to handle these cases for you. But up front, you can handle most of it yourself to make sure that what you actually want to have happen will be done, so that you're avoiding court costs. And a will, a trust, and a good estate plan could have done that for Mr. Picasso. My name is Megan Truick. I'm with the law office of Bryan Fagan, where we help people, rich, poor, and in between, come up with a comprehensive estate plan that actually works for you. Thanks. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.